Hi guys, today I will show you this Makita DUC150Z. So 18 volts brushless, 150 millimeters pruning saw. Okay, so here are the features. So electric chain brake, then automatic chain lubrication, then retractable cutting guard, this one, then lock off lever switch, then rear hand guard, then toolless chain tension adjustment. Okay, so I'll open this now so you can see. Well, I'll show you this side as well. Okay. Okay, so here it goes. First of all, I'll just show you what's inside. It comes with the oil. So Makita oil 199897-3. Then some tool. This one. Yeah, it's like a file. Okay, for sharpening the chain blade. Then here is the product itself. Okay. Then it comes with some, like a user's manual, instruction manual. Okay, so nothing else there. So I'll just show you this one. So by the way, this tool does not come with the battery. So tool only, battery of the charger, battery and charger not included. So the battery is going here. So you need to buy it separately, but in my case I already have a Makita battery, so I can use that one. So I'll just try to remove this. Very sharp, so be careful. So it's a blade. So this one is retractable, and on this side, see here, so this is the location where you put the oil. So before running, there should be oil. And this one, let's see what's in there. So this is like a automatic tension adjustment. So I just open this one, so I want to see this part. Yeah, so that's it. So show you this part as well. So just put it back. Lock in. Then this is like I think they hold when you're running it. So just press this trigger, then you can hold. So I'll try putting some oil, then also the battery. For now, I'll just put this back for safety. Okay, now I will be putting some oil in this storage. So to open this one, lift this top, then turn. Okay, so this one needs about 55 ml. So this container is 100 milliliters, so I'll put half. So just open this one. Let me see. So instead of using this one, so I'll just try to open this one and pour the oil, because it has a big hole anyway. Let me see. So still need more. Yeah, about half. Yes. Put the cover back. Then this one as well. Then close it again. Now it should be ready. I'll get the battery. Okay, I will be using this battery at 3 ampere hour, 18 volts. So let's move this one. This one on. Then you can try. Okay. Try again. So we'll try this one on the tree.